In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to copy your Calendly link. So begin by logging into your Calendly account. Once you're in, find the specific event you want to share. When you've located it, you'll notice a button labeled Copy Link. Simply click that button and your link will be copied to your clipboard, ready for use. Next, we'll access your LinkedIn profile. Head over to linkedin.com and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, click on your name or profile picture. This will open up your profile page where all your information is displayed. Now that you're on your profile, it's time to open the profile editor. Look for the pencil icon, also known as the Edit button. This icon is typically located in your introduction section near your profile picture and headline. Click on that pencil icon to open the editing interface. After opening the Edit section, you'll need to edit your contact information. Scroll down to the bottom of this Edit Intro window, where you should find an option to edit contact info. Click on that to start making your changes. In the Contact Info section, look for the option that says Add Website. If you already have a website entry, you can also choose to edit that. Clicking this will open a new field where you can paste your Calendly link. Just take that link you copied earlier and place it into the website URL field. After you've pasted your link, you'll need to choose a website type from the drop-down menu. You can select options such as Other or Personal, depending on how you want to categorize your link. This step helps connect your Calendly link with the right context. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom right of the window, and click on it to ensure that all your recent updates are saved. After saving, you can close the Contact Info window. Congratulations! Your Calendly link is now visible in the Contact Info section of your LinkedIn profile. This means others can easily click on it and book time with you, making scheduling a breeze. By following these steps, you've not only made it easier for your connections to reach out, but also streamlined your scheduling process. This can enhance your networking opportunities and improve your availability for meetings. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to add Calendly on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.